Yo, what's good, y'all? I'm back with another video, and we got the truck outside. We got my wife outside, and yeah, y'all, we finna be installing some parts that my wife just bought. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna open up the door on this side, and we gonna show y'all what we got that we gonna be installing on the truck. We got no more of the cheese, man. No more of the cheese, man. We're trying to put LEDs in here. What up with it? Brad, look, you gotta see what's for the truck, right? About to show Seb, y'all. Okay. Nah, I just caught them. Okay. These shit's tough, bruh. They big as a bitch.
Oh my God. You popping it?
I can't even, like... Wait, you trying to hold them? Them clears, bruh. Clears. On them for the truck, right? Y'all, this shit look crazy. Like, look at how big the light is. Y'all see this? And y'all, we recording off the phone today because the camera dead. But, yeah. And it's a quick install. Bro, look at this shit. We're going to show y'all the before and after, though. So, yeah, y'all give me a second. I'm going to do a vid.
Just a little bro out of bed. I teach a bitch out of bed. Now they been going nowhere. Count up 2 for bands. Keep that sound like Superman.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. If this ain't the mixtape of the year, who are we kidding? Sinning on you bitches.
Keep that sound like Superman. Straight on shit.
Alright, y'all. So, look. Now we get to show y'all the truck. I'm going to show y'all. This is what the lights look like right now. Feel me? We got, like, as y'all can see, that shit faded glory, nigga. Looking crazy, mad scratches. Brown ass lights with the cheese. I heard the truck niggas be calling this shit cheese. Got the cheese on it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we finna fix that problem thanks to my love. Y'all see that? She holding the baby in her hand. Gotta burp him. Gotta burp him. But yeah, we finna swap them out. Talking about something ready to drill some shit. We gotta swap them out. And yeah, I'm not gonna bore y'all with like headlight changes, but we just gonna show y'all the before and after, okay? We ain't gonna sit here and use up all this storage on her phone, cause yeah. But we just gonna show y'all the before and after. It's simple as hell. You know, it's probably like a boat there. It's an old ass truck. Might even take us a minute. We might break some shit. Who knows? Ready to break some shit? Mm-hmm. All right, y'all. Get back at y'all when we done.
Ain't the mixtape of the year. Who are we kidding? Sinning on you bitches.
Keep that sound like Superman. Straight on shit right through that man. Got these hoes like, who that man? Oh, that Sage, ho.
All right, y'all. We had to take apart the whole face of the truck, which like comes apart like Legos. And then look at what we found here, y'all. We got just a big ass wiring mess, bro. Nigga duct taped the light. Well, we gonna have to figure out why the fuck he did that. It looked like he just did some bullshit, cause nothing looks like broken. I think somebody just put the wrong light bulb in there. Cause look at this janky ass shit, bro. Never seen that before, but yeah, we just gonna assume that guy who had the car before just did some janky ass shit, man. They got a lot of shit going on. A lot of fucking just look like a big ass mess. But we not gonna think too much about it. We just gonna put the new lights in and hope and pray, right? Alright. Alright, y'all. We about to mock up the new lights. And yeah. Alright, y'all. Look at this shit, bro. I'm all done with it. Look at this. Bussin' up. Oh my god. This would look like at night, yo. She look right. I ain't gonna lie. This has changed the appearance 1,000%. Alright, go ahead. Hit the lights. The other ones. Yeah. This is what it look like at night, y'all. They bright as fuck. And yeah, look how it's brighten up the backyard. And these are just the low beams. Go ahead and hit the high. Yeah, y'all. That's what it look like, Go ahead, turn them back down. Yeah, this shit look crazy, y'all. This is the end of the nighttime section of the vid. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like in the daytime, because I know it's like the lighting over here is terrible, it's trash. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that shit tomorrow. But yeah, look at this, bro. This side profile look crazy. But yeah, y'all get back at y'all in the morning. Let's get back to the daytime. As y'all can see, this is like what? How many days has it been since we had the lights?
A week.
A week, bro?
No, it's
Oh. It's been like 4 days. Right? No. Yeah, 4?
You know, sometimes during the weekend.
Yeah, we don't
Wednesday.
know the time, but it rained, didn't it? It rained, didn't it? It rained. It didn't snow or nothing like that, but and y'all see the lights still look good. Them shit's busting. And this is what they look like during the daytime. They not on or nothing like that, but this how they look during the day. I know y'all see, we got mismatch tread, but that we just went and got the truck. I just took the truck on a ride. I went and got it like aired up, like the tires aired up. So this shit actually look taller, cause the tires was flat all the way around, and they was supposed to be at 72 psi and 60 psi. Bro, this shit drive so good now on the air that it's supposed to be on. So yeah, I did just went and get some other stuff talked about on this build. It looked like they did not pump this tire up.
I don't even think they got on this side.
I swear to goodness they didn't.
They did it.
Okay, so
No,
I
they
lied.
did one side.
I lied, y'all. We got one side of the car pumped up.
And that one
And compared to them,
they
like,
didn't touch
right.
the side at all.
Look at this, y'all. So y'all see, there's no bulges in these tires. Come on this side. And the truck low-key leaning.
It is. I can't tell from the driveway.
Wait, hold on. Let me show y'all. You could kind of tell a little bit on camera. That shit is like, this side look low.
There's like a titty on it.
Yeah, y'all. Unfortunately, they didn't really pump my tires up, but fuck it. Man, Valvoline and Henrietta, they be wildin' some days. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Don't it look like my headlight busted out on this side? Like, you see what I'm saying?
I think it's the light.
It's the light, like the reflection. That bitch look busted out on this side. Oh, it look like that when you stand like this.
That's because they crystal clear.
They crystal clear, man. I already got one compliment at AutoZone. So yeah, we finna end this video off like this, y'all. I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, we got more. Oh yeah,
You said you wanted to show it.
this is the brand of the lights that we had got. Not sponsored by them, but the headlights. I don't got the keys. Let me show y'all. Not the headlight itself, but like the bulbs. Are they on?
No.
Oh. How about now?
Yeah.
So yeah, y'all, this is what they look like. They hella bright. Like, even in the daytime, they fucking busting like a Lucy. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, y'all, that's the end of this video. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. We got more truck videos coming on in the future. My girl, y'all already seen us clean it. So my girl, she about to clean it again, she said, right?
Huh?
You said you about to clean it.
Clean what?
The truck. That's what you said you was gonna do. She said she gotta clean the truck. We ain't detailed the inside of the truck, but we not gonna bore y'all with that shit. But it's nasty as fucking here. I bought the truck and I didn't clean it.
It stink too.
It's stinking here, and yeah, I just bought it. This all our shit, but y'all bought this shit and like the seats look disgusting. They got stains all in them and shit, like somebody was having intercourses back here.
That's nasty.
But yeah, y'all, we gonna get it situated and see y'all in the next one.